Hello there, I am Tugustu Zariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Here, understanding non-printing characters. When using Microsoft Word, there are characters. They are not visible in print layout. They are not visible in working area of Microsoft Word window, but it's make visible, and it's non-printable means when we change into hard copy in paper form, they are not printed out, but it's possible to make visible the underground characters. Here, understanding non-printing characters. What are these characters? On the keyboard, there are non-printing characters. Certain characters called non-printing characters. When you say characters, they are found on input device, which is on the keyboard. Letters, numbers, punctuation marks, symbols, they are characters. Certain characters called non-printing characters do not print and will not appear in your printed document, but do affect your document layout. It affects document layout, but it's not appear. You can elect to see these characters on the screen as you type, or you can elect to have them remain invisible. It's possible to show or hide these characters. How we make show and hide, you see here. For these lessons, option to see them on screen. This table describes most of them. What are these key? The characters. This type of symbol is visible, but it's not shown when you type. By default, it is hidden. Possible to make show, also to make display by using some command. You see here, a tab here. The symbol is a tab. The tab on the keyboard found. This is the tab key. Therefore, when we use the term press for keyboard. Click for mouse. When you press this tab key, there is a tab key on the keyboard above caps lock. The caps lock helps us to make the upper or lower case, to make capital or small letter. Under caps, there is a tab. The tab helps you to change. For instance, a tab. This is a symbol, a tab. This is a symbol for space. The space helps us to create a gap. A tab helps us also to create parallel gaps. For instance, if you make it or if you want to create like this character with one column and you notice with other column to make it parallel, it's possible to make after typing this symbol, displaying this symbol, a tab is can be placed by using tab key. Make the cursor to move here. The same to on the second line. After displaying this period or full stop mark, we can move the cursor to type here this word a space. Here mark this type of character and paragraph mark. It is the end of a paragraph. Paragraph mark means the end of a paragraph. Possible to make or hide. Just let me show you using a method. This is a space. Therefore, when you press a space, it helps to create a gap between words. When you press enter key, it's possible to create a paragraph. To create or to go to the next paragraph, we will press the enter key. But if you do not want to create a new paragraph, just you have to simply type on your MS Word line. Then when you reach by default on the end of margin, it replaces by sub cursor. Let me show you here the statement. On the start menu, simply type W O. It displays word. Or window plus letter R. Window. It displays a run command. Then type in word. Okay. Just it's possible to, when you type by default, when you reach to the end of the line, it returns path by default. But how can we create a new paragraph? To create a new paragraph, we have to press enter key. It helps you not only to go to a new line, it helps you also to create a new paragraph. It helps you. Enter key means creating a new paragraph. We have to use the space key to create a gap between words. Space key. Space key. So then let me show you here the tab and paragraph these markers. They are non-printing characters. They are not visible. The space, we are using this space gap, create a gap between words. It is not visible, but it's possible to make sure also, to show also this period. The space is known by this symbol. The end of paragraph is shown by this type of symbol. And a tab is displayed by this character. Let me show you this space. Each words, there is a space. How to show this character or symbol in the end of paragraph. Let me show you here. To display in general the three non-printing characters, the tab, the space gap, and the enter key. The enter key means new paragraph. The three keys on the keyboard. Tab, space, enter. They are non-printing characters. They are called non-printing characters. Tab, space, enter. Then here, possible to display this character. This is show hide, it says. Show paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbols, it says. Show paragraph mark and other hidden formatting symbols. This specially for advanced layout tasks, it says. For instance, here, let me click on here, or using keyboard, possible to show or write Control Shift with number 8. Control Shift number 8. Control Shift number 8 using keyboard. It's shown as you have seen here. The markers and printing characters are shown. Again, to hide these markers, non-printing characters, it's possible to Control Shift 8 number it at the same time, or we can use this icon. It is hidden. Let me show it. Under when you change into hard copy, the file stored inside the computer system is soft copy. To change into hard copy, we have to use printer. As you have seen here under print, it's not printed out. That's why we say them print, 9 in tab, space, and enter key are non-printable characters. They are not printed, but it's possible to show. Here, for instance, the dot. The dot represents, it says, the dot is a space. As you have seen, the dot. Let me increase the zoom. The dot. The dot is a space. It is non-printable character space. Dot. This is the end of paragraph. At the end, here is the paragraph symbol. Now I am in the second paragraph. I have used here enter key that is shown. Possible to use to do it by using backspace key. Backspace. This is the backspace. What about the other key? When we enter key, it displays the paragraph mark as you have shown. Therefore, how can we count a specific, if you have a specific document, possible to count the number of paragraph marks. The first paragraph, the second, just we count like this. Now I am in the second paragraph. The first paragraph, the end of first paragraph, there is in the second paragraph. Just when we type it, it moves. When we reach the end of the margin, it returns back by itself. Only when we press enter key, it creates a new paragraph. Let me show you here. The other paragraph. What about tab key? Tab key on the keyboard, for instance, number rather than using space, tab key 1 press. Here 1, the arrow is displayed. When you press the tab key, a tab set type of symbol. It is non-printable again. Instance name. Let me repeat once. Tab key. Second one, name. Again, 2 tabs. Pressing twice. Age. Pressing twice. 6. Pressing twice. Address. There the space is period or full stop mark, this paragraph mark, this tab key symbol, the arrow, the right arrow, they are not visible when we change into hard copy. That's why we have said non-printable here. Under file, print, you create a zoom here. Zoom is 60, you have to make it 100. It is why we program what you see is what you get program on the print layout. It is not visible. The periods, the symbol that is to show that gap between words, paragraph mark, the tab key, they are not displayed here. That's why we say them non-printable characters. Here, enter key, number 001. Then to go to parallel to name, it helps mostly to create a parallel column. We use tab. Make the right indentation. We use tab key, for instance. Dilo page twice just press it. Tab 1 a second. If you in mistake if you press 3 times, you can use backspace key. Backspace. Here is the backspace, or you can use this undo, or in short, Control Z. Undo once. Enter 002.